Hello everyone, and welcome to Volinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix error code 233011 on Windows. And now, let's get started. First, let's address the internet connection. Open your web browser and search for fast.com. This will allow you to check your current internet speed. A slow connection can often lead to various errors. Next, clearing your browser's cache and cookies is a crucial step. Click on the three dots located in the top right corner of your browser window. Navigate to History, and then you will see an icon that looks like a bin. Click on this icon, and then select the option to clear data. Another effective solution involves disabling hardware acceleration or graphics acceleration. Again, click on the three dots in the top right corner, select Settings. Then, go to the System and Performance section. In the right pane, you should find a switch labeled Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Uncheck or disable this switch. Finally, consider removing any unnecessary browser extensions. Click on the three dots in the top right corner once more, and then select Extensions from the menu. Navigate to Manage Extensions. If you see any extensions that you do not recognize or trust, especially security extensions, it is advisable to remove them. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.